Dogecoin value kind of equivalent to $0.0812 a coin, which by and large is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.0803 0.0813 in a genuinely huge way. The earlier day close, 0.0804 in a genuinely huge way. The change in every way that really matters was plus 0.0008, plus 1.00% in an unobtrusive way. Converse rate, USD to Doge. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an extremely enormous manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.081, exceptionally most extreme 0.087, by and large least 0.075, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.083, extremely greatest 0.089, least 0.077, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.082, really greatest 0.088, extremely least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.083, truly greatest 0.089, least 0.077 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.083, certainly greatest 0.089, especially least 0.077, or so they essentially thought. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $0.081, in every practical sense, greatest 0.087, exceptionally least 0.075, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.083, greatest 0.089, genuinely least 0.077 in a very significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.078, all things considered, most extreme 0.083, truly least 0.073 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.074, sort of greatest 0.079, especially least 0.069 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.069, sort of greatest 0.074, least 0.064 in a for the most part huge manner. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.071, kind of greatest 0.076, sort of least 0.066, which for the most part shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.081, truly greatest 0.087, exceptionally least 0.075, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.072, truly most extreme 0.077, all things considered, least 0.067, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.073, fundamentally greatest 0.078, sort of least 0.068, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.073, fundamentally most extreme 0.078, beautiful least 0.068, or so they certainly thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.074, sort of greatest 0.079, least 0.069, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.082, truly most extreme 0.088, least 0.076, or so they especially thought. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $0.078, kind of greatest 0.083, lovely least 0.073, showing that opposite rate, USD to Doge, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.077, kind of greatest 0.082, fundamentally least 0.072 in an essentially enormous way. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.076, beautiful most extreme 0.081, by and large least 0.071, which really is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.077, especially most extreme 0.082, fundamentally least 0.072, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.079, extremely greatest 0.085, lovely least 0.073 in a very significant way. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.078, exceptionally most extreme 0.083, sort of least 0.073, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.075, essentially greatest 0.080, sort of least 0.070, or so they by and large thought. USD to Doge conversion scale really equivalent to 12.3198 coins per $1. So Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.074, sort of most extreme 0.079, exceptionally least 0.069, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.082, sort of greatest 0.088, in every practical sense, least 0.076, which sort of is genuinely critical. Today, S-Reach 123077124595, which most certainly is very critical. The past day, S-Nearby 12.4378, which generally is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.1180, 0.95%, which essentially is genuinely critical. USD to Doge cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of huge manner. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 12.346 coins, in every way that really matters. Greatest 13.333, genuinely least 11.494, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 12.048 coins, genuinely greatest 12.987, especially least 11.236. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 12.195 coins, sort of greatest 13.158, truly least 11.364, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Doge forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 12.048 coins, exceptionally most extreme 12.987, essentially least 11.236, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 12.048 coins, lovely greatest 12.987, genuinely least 11.236. In multi-week USD to Doge forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 12.346 coins, truly most extreme 13.333, fundamentally least 11.494, which sort of shows that in about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.071, sort of greatest 0.076, genuinely least 0.066, which basically shows that Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.081, genuinely greatest 0.087, least 0.075 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 12.048 coins, for the most part greatest 12.987, really least 11.236 in an extremely large way. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 12.821 coins, essentially greatest